Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Don. You guys are watching Do Reactions. So today I'm gonna give my review on the movie Drishyam 2. Yes guys, Drishyam 2 has finally released, I can tell, on Amazon Prime. So if you guys have not yet watched, so please go and watch it. So now I'm gonna tell about the movie review of Drishyam 2. So Drishyam 2 guys, Drishyam 1 was famous for its suspense. So again the suspense continues in Drishyam 2 also. I'll be telling just the plus points about the movie and the baseline of the story. Okay, the baseline of the story guys is it is a continuation of Drishyam 1. In Drishyam 1 what all you have guys have seen at the last, so that will be continued here. So in this movie you can see a fearness, you can see pain, you can see emotions, you can see suspense, you can see a kind of ideas that is created by Mohanlal sir to escape his family. So these are the main thing that you can see in this movie. Coming to the first plus point about the movie is that the director guys, the director is none other than Jitu Joseph sir. Just nailed it guys. Yes, I'll tell you why. Jitu Joseph sir have analyzed part 1's story again and again and brought that main points from part 1 to part 2 and have added more content, a good content and good suspense for that point, and I've bought this film, I can tell. So that was a great thing from sir. Yeah, second thing, the story guys. As I told you guys, the story continues, but here the story goes in a different way, I can tell, compared to part 1. In part 2, because of the villagers and because of public opinions about that incident, the family will be more afraid of that. They will be remembering, and because of that incident, even their children will not be able to concentrate on their studies, or their life will be a little bit upset because of some problems in their life. We thought that part 1 ended properly, but no, in the part 1 they have given the full stop, but in the part 2 everything continues. So the pain is the main thing what I liked, that Jitu Joseph sir have shown perfectly in the movie, I can tell. So this is the main plus points guys. There are one more plus point, that is none other than Mohanlal sir. Mohanlal sir just nailed it, I can tell, by his acting. At last there's a big suspense guys for you guys waiting. So I'm not telling about the story, you guys go and watch it. I'll just tell that it's on Prime, just go and watch it. Coming, yeah, Mohanlal sir's performance from the starting to end, just superb, I can tell. Sir has given is 100%, I can tell. The pain he has, the pain in his face and the emotions in his face, the confidence in his face, and that acting, everything just nailed, I can tell. So, and next thing I have to tell about Anthony sir, the producer of this movie. Even I have to give him credits, because best thing sir has done by producing this movie. This is the best thing sir has done, I can tell. Sir is the producer of this movie, right? Wonderful production, I can tell. Everything looks good guys in this movie. Everything is set, what to tell, the color, the theme, the music, everything is good. So cinematography, Satish sir is a cinematographer of this movie. Cinematography, excellent cinematography guys, from last to end. Especially during that suspense thing, something will come, right? That suspense thing was just superb, I can tell. So by this I can tell that Drishyam 2 is a suspense, thriller and emotional movie. Yeah, in this movie you can see emotion also. The emotion really touched my heart, I can tell. The family is facing a big problem in part 2. So you can see many other new characters trying to investigate things. So but I can tell that if the director continues this movie to part 3 also, the police cannot catch Mohanlal sir's family, because he is very brilliant. So these are the main thing that I have to tell about the movie guys. So that's it, I have told. And all the cast guys, all the cast have done very good job. And coming to the like one more thing I have to tell. Okay, the village's environment, in the movie is very good, I can tell. A natural movie, I can tell. It's very good. That's it guys from my side. This is my review. Coming to the ratings, I'll give 4.2 out of 5. Yes, this is my ratings. So I'll recommend this movie for everyone. Okay, please go and watch it today itself. So that's it from my side. Hope you like my review. So if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel guys. Please be waiting for my next video. Take care. Bye bye.